Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today how to use the ChemConnect on your LAY-Z-SPA. Now if you don't use chemical treatment in your LAY-Z-SPA, the water will only last for about 3 days. So it's important to use chlorine tablets in the ChemConnect device. When the spa is running and the heating is on and the water filter is on, this is when the water jets come out through the ChemConnect device, and that helps clean the pool with the chlorine tablet that is inside there. The ChemConnect is the top unit here, and underneath is the filter, and there's a link above now about how to replace that. To remove the ChemConnect device, turn it anti-clockwise about 25 to 40 degrees and then it just pops off. There we go, very simple. And this is a really important point. When you're getting in your LAY-Z-SPA to relax, make sure that you remove the ChemConnect device, because you don't want the chlorine filtering around in the pool whilst you're in there. So always make sure that you remove the ChemConnect before you get in. Then what we'll do is we'll replace the chlorine tablet in the ChemConnect device and get it fitted back on. The tablets that I'm going to use generally last about a week as they slowly dissolve in your LAY-Z-SPA. This is the ChemConnect unit here. Turn this screw anti-clockwise and then it just lifts out. And that is where the chlorine tablet is in there. You can buy these multifunction chlorine tablets online, and I've got a tub of 50 here. Take out a brand new tablet, and this just sits in the outer rim of the ChemConnect device. Then put the lid back on, it slides down through the grooves, and then twist clockwise just to lock it into place, not very far. And that is ready to put back on. On the back of the ChemConnect device you've got these 2 divots here. They just line up into the grooves in the LAY-Z-SPA. Just push it in and then turn it clockwise to lock it in. Not very far, about 25 to 45 degrees, and there it goes. That is locked in. I'll just show you how that works in the LAY-Z-SPA without any water in it, just so it's a little bit clearer. So you've got the divot there, that goes into the groove. Push it inwards, then twist it clockwise and it locks into that point there where those 2 red markers are. And that just locks it into position. Whatever you do, don't put one of those chlorine tablets directly into the pool because you will damage it. Always use it in the ChemConnect device, or if you've got a floating device, use that. The ChemConnect devices do vary, but on this particular one you can adjust the strength of the chlorine, the amount of chlorine that goes into your LAY-Z-SPA, so it's still locked into position. But if you move it far over to the right hand side, this is the minimum amount, and onto the left hand side the maximum amount of chlorine. Then when the heating and water filter system is on, that can adjust the amount of chlorine that goes into your LAY-Z-SPA. Now I'm just going to get back in the LAY-Z-SPA, so I'm just going to remove the ChemConnect device and just chill out for a few minutes. I think Daisy would like to join me. Normally I'd have a nice cold beer or a Prosecco in here, but as it's my how-to video, might as well have a lovely cup of tea. I hope you found that useful. Up here is a link on how to change your filter on your LAY-Z-SPA. And over on this side, there's a link on how to clean your filter on your LAY-Z-SPA. That just makes it last a little bit longer. Thanks for visiting my channel.